A honey and egg face mask can provide several benefits for skin beauty. Here's a simple guide on how to make and use it, along with the benefits of each ingredient. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, preferably raw and organic, 1 egg white for oily skin, or 1 egg yolk for dry skin. Instructions: mix the ingredients in a small bowl. Whisk the honey and egg, either yolk or white depending on your skin type, until they form a smooth paste. Apply to your face. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the mask sit and dry on your face. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Once the mask has dried, gently rinse it off and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Honey is naturally antibacterial, which helps prevent and treat acne. It's rich in antioxidants, providing anti-aging benefits. Plus, it's extremely moisturizing and soothing, helping create a natural glow. Egg whites help tighten the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. They also absorb excess oil, making them ideal for acne-prone skin. Egg yolks are rich in fatty acids and nutrients, which help nourish and hydrate dry skin. They provide moisture and smoothness to the skin, giving it a youthful appearance. You can use this mask 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin type.